All right, well, we also want to take a look at another recent double bottom breakout, and that is from Huya, a Chinese internet stock. Now, some investors might be thinking, oh, well, I might want to avoid China right now.
Right.
If they could, if those stocks could be a little bit more sensitive to trade headlines. But tell me your thoughts on this name. Maybe not as exposed to the trade fears.
Yeah, it really isn't, because it's a live streaming platform. This is kind of for gamers, right? So this is a way for gamers to either be participants or to watch. And there's a lot of interaction between the participants and the observers. So that's something that's really kind of neat about it, that a lot of the gamers really like. Now, is that going to be affected by trade? Not really. But is it going to be affected because China is in the name? Possibly. And so that's one of the things you have to watch out for. Now, this is something that kind of came on our radar back in May of 2018, when a lot of these Chinese IPOs in the internet leisure sector really started taking off. So you had Huya.
Really taking off.
Yeah, exactly.
In a big way.
Yeah, so you had Huya, you had Billy, you had IQ, a number of names that were all kind of moving. And then they kind of fell off the radar.
Right.
They just went sideways or actually down considerably for a long
So
time.
this is the first base, really, since that big IPO move for Huya.
Right, and so in this case, both legs of the double bottom kind of came down to the 200-day moving average or 40-week moving average, actually undercut it. And so this is kind of more of a bottoming base, where you've been kind of hugging those moving averages, the 10-week moving average line and the 40-week moving average line. So this is kind of potentially early in the move, and that's one of the things we like about IPOs, is because there is that potential for these big moves. So it's one to keep on your radar, but also understand the volatility that can come with this being not only an IPO, but a Chinese IPO.